Hello, Attorney Prashanthi.
Hello.
I'm a first time H1B approved from Canada and have yet to travel to the US. My Indian passport has an H1B visa, but fortunately, I got Canadian citizenship. What will happen to my H1B visa and how can I travel to the USA on an H1B visa? That's a good question.
Yeah, and maybe it's unfortunate, maybe not that fortunate for him to get
Right.
Canadian citizenship at this period of time when he wants to actually come to the US on a H1. Um, so this is not, just thinking out loud, this is not a situation where you have an old passport, an old Indian passport, and you have a new Indian passport because you got it extended, then you're carrying both the passports, and the visa is in the old passport, no problem. You can take both the passports, you can appear at the, consulate or at CBP, and you will be let in. In this situation, you've given up your Indian citizenship because India doesn't allow dual citizenship. So you would most probably have to give up your Indian citizenship. So your passport is no longer valid, and then you have a Canadian passport now. So in this instance, most probably you'll have to get a visa stamped on your Canadian passport and then travel. Otherwise, you will have some difficulty at the port of entry when you're coming into the US. If you show your Indian passport because that's no longer valid.
Uh, but then, since he has a new passport, you said he should go to a consulate again and get a visa stamped. But does it not require an H-1B amendment because the nationality has changed, his passport number changed, probably his location has changed? So, is there something you can explain on
So I
that?
don't think in this instance you need to file a H-1B amendment. I think the only thing that's needed is take the approval, existing approval, take your new passport, all your information, submit it at the consulate, and they will give you a decision based on the new information that you submit. I don't really think that an amendment is needed at this point.
Okay. Thank you for answering that question.
You're welcome.